Just thought I'd do a quick video to show you where the front fuse box is for a BMW X5 F15. This is a 2015 one. So the fuse box is located under the front driver's side footwell. So there's three T20 screws, which are these. You got one there, and one on the end. So if you undo them, drop down the panel, there's your fuse box there underneath. I tried to locate this because the accessory socket in the armrest wasn't working, and if you can see that first blue fuse in the middle, that's the fuse for it. It is meant to have a 20 amp fuse, but I didn't have a 20 amp fuse, I only had a 15 amp fuse, so that's why the blue one is there. Would have fitted that. That's it there, but it works fine. So now you know where to locate the front fuse box. Okay.